Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today is the 200th anniversary and the 200th drawing that I've ever done. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Omni King Grand Zeno. That's right folks, you know him, you love him, the creator and destroyer of all 12 universes, Grand Zeno. And truth be told, Grand Zeno, he's like the creator of all 12 universes. Let's get started on drawing his head. And if you must know, when drawing his head, you must start with the eyes. Always start with the eyes. And his face and his head looks like a football. But don't tell Grand Zeno I said that. He might erase me. Anyways, if you must know, Grand Zeno, he looks kind of like a child, but he's actually known as the world's strongest and powerful deity in the universe. As seen in Anime Wars, he has a fighter form that looks like the entire universe. And known fact about Grand Zeno, I think that would be, if you saw that form in Anime Wars, I think that would be the best form for Grand Zeno, rather than this one. Anyways, Grand Zeno, he was first seen in Dragon Ball Super, the Tournament of Destroyers saga. And, a known fact about him, he was, hosting the Tournament of Power. And, one time during the Goku Black arc, he wanted Goku to become his friend. And, here's another thing about him. He was, when he first appeared in the series finale of the Future Trunks arc, Goku summoned him using the button that he gave him. And, here's another thing. Grand Zeno, he erased Trunks' future. And, the Grand Zeno from our timeline, Goku gave the Zeno from Trunks' timeline to him as a special present. He's completely different to the original Grand Zeno, except he's from another future. And it is nice to see the two Grand Zenos getting along. Plus, they were the two combatants for the Tournament of Power. And, well, to be honest, I am actually a huge fan of Grand Zeno. I didn't think there'd actually be two of them. After this version of Grand Zeno is done, I'm gonna draw another Grand Zeno just for you guys. Pretty awesome, don't you think, guys? There we go. That's a twist, am I right? There we go. That's how you draw Grand Zeno. There we go. Now let's draw that other Grand Zeno I was talking about. Possibly it's the Zeno from the alternate future. You know the reason why Zeno erased Trunks' future is to keep the multiverse safe from Zamasu's grasp. Which was a real pain to say goodbye to Trunks' timeline, but it would be happy to see him again in the future. Maybe in one of those Dragon Ball AF comics. Maybe when Goku runs into Grand Zeno in the future. Perhaps him and Vegeta Jr. will form Vegito Blue. Plus, I don't know, man. Okay, next up, here's his legs here. You know, you could draw this if you want. There we go. That's how you draw Grand Zeno. Congratulations, you guys. It's the 200th anniversary. So, if Grand Zeno ever did the fusion technique, what would he actually look like? Just asking, you guys. Anyways, that's how you draw Grand Zeno. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of fantastic character I'll draw you guys next. So I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye!